Hello everyone. I'm going to give you the demo of our product Creatiosoft.poker, and this is the dashboard for our Creatiosoft.poker. So let me explain you and give you the details of our admin panel and how to use the admin panel. So as you can see that this is the home page of our admin panel, and we have all the modules listed on the left side which admin can use to handle our poker game. Okay. So the first module which I would like to explain will be the account details, where you can always check all the bonus chips generated, total chips, rake earned, total cash out, all the important overall details of the accounts. And along with that, we have maintained a balance sheet. The balance sheet will generally update you on the net balance, which should always be zero. And it will also give you all the details of every field which the product is using, like chips given, chips cash out. The main logic behind balance sheet would be that all the chips going in should be equal to the chips going out. So there is no loophole in the product and in the accounting. So that's how we are managing the game balance sheet section. Other than that, we have a few other important modules in this which I would like to focus on. For example, game management. In the game management, you can create the cash game tables for our poker game. We have two variations like Hold'em and Omaha. Every time you can go in here, you can just go and create on this button, and as soon as you will click on the create button, you will see the table name, game variation like Hold'em and Omaha, chips type, play money, real money, stakes, pot limit, no limit. We can enter all the values like small blind, big blind. We have different rake percentages based on the number of players playing on the table, and the cap values. These cap values is of for the rake, so we can set the maximum cap on the rake which is going to be deducted. This will be players on the table. That means we can have minimum two number of players and maximum nine as per the poker rules. So that you can decide over here. Other than that, we have minimum buy-in, straddle. We can select whether it is mandatory or optional. Turn timer. We can always choose that. Also, we can create private tables by putting in yes or no. Is run it twice as well. So this is all the fields which is required to create a poker cash game table. And this is our game management section. We have all the filters as well. Other than that, we have spam management, uh, just to make sure that we can enter spam words which should not appear in the chat. We have bonus codes management. So if there is a certain deposit criteria in the game, let's say we are using a payment gateway, we can create bonus codes which will help them getting two type of bonuses, which is instant bonus and locked bonus. So we have those two bonuses in the game. Instant bonus will be helpful in playing the game, but obviously that cannot be withdrawn. And locked bonus is something which player can accumulate over the period of time, and once it is unlocked using the VIP points accumulation, that will be converted into real money. We have loyalty points management system, so every player will start from a certain loyalty level, which is bronze, chrome, silver, and so on. And once he will start playing and accumulate the rake, based on the rake accumulation we will give them certain VIP points, and based on the VIP points we will give them the loyalty levels. And we have other important modules like leaderboard management. And leaderboard management is basically, it's like a VIP race, because in cash games there are other ways to engage the players, like we can have the VIP race is basically nothing but the player will accumulate a particular rake over the period of time, and based on the rake we are giving them the VIP points, right? So we will check, okay, for 1 hour this event will run, and over that 1 hour whoever will have the highest VIP points, that will become the winner, and we will give them some rewards. So it is just an engagement program, and we have all the facilities like create leaderboard, list leaderboard. We can always select the prizes to be given. Everything is customizable and manageable from here. We can create multiple type of leaderboards. We can create it for 1 hour or 2 hour or 10 hours as well. We have leaderboard set management and leaderboard reports, which also help you manage the leaderboards in the game. Other than the VIP race, we have also have the hand race. As you can see over here, we can have the option to have a VIP race and a hand race. So hand race is basically number of hands played over the period of time. We have chips management module for the admin to facilitate direct chips transfer to the players and the agents, and we can also see the history of those records if that has been happened. As you can see that we have the total amount accounting here, and it will be also recorded who transferred the chips from the accounts. We have a transaction history report. The transaction history report is mainly the overall deposit transactions and everything over here. For example, fund transfer and online transfer and scratch card. So fund transfer is direct transfer. Online transfer is whenever we go through any online mode like a payment gateway or any other mode. That will help us in accounting the online transfer. And scratch card, we have a module to generate scratch cards, and that scratch card will be applied and the real money will be given based on the scratch card value. Then the important module will be the user management. So to manage the admin panel, admin can always create a user, and he can also give the access to that user based on what access he wants. For example, we have all the modules like accounting, activity, game management. So he can create a particular person from a finance team and give them the access of only accounting, so that he can only use those modules. Okay, so this is how they can create the users and always give the access to their subordinates to run this product uh, in a better way. Other than that, we have agent process and affiliate methods as well. For example, you can create an affiliate, and that affiliate will be have a certain profit percent in the rake, and once those player will be registered inside those affiliates, then the rake accumulation will start happening based on the profit percent. They will have their own separate dashboards once you will create their accounts, and they can manage their own players. The only difference between affiliate and agents are that affiliate cannot transfer the money or give the cash outs to the players, but agent will have the capability to transfer the chips and give the cash outs to the players. So affiliate is just like everything will be handled from the from the admin side, just that they are giving the players to the company, and agent will be like giving the players as well and managing their finances, and agent's finances will be managed by admin, like the cash outs and deposits, everything. Okay, we have a cash out method as well. This is a direct cash out methods, and we can create request from the game, and once the game will have a request, then it will be visible in the pending cash out request. Right now there is no data, but you can see that we have pending player chips, pending agent reg, everything. So everything will be recorded over here, and then there will be approval process through which admin can transfer the process. But he is not actually transferring, it is a manual process. Admin will transfer from the original account, and then what will happen, that we will have the entry that it is successful. That's it. We have all the reporting process like rake analytics, rake commission report, daily rake commission chart for the month. Everything is recorded over here. For example, if we have played few games, then the rakes will be recorded here, and we can clearly see that okay, what is the cash table on which it is played. Every data is here, and different type of reports of rakes are there. Same way, we have different type of player reports as well. We can see player rake chart, player games played chart, whoever has played. Like for example, if I go to the player report, it will fetch me all the data related to the player, like chips balance, loyalty points, everything. Similarly, we have a customer support management. In the customer support management, it is like giving access to a particular employee who will handle the players, and he can update the player to their uh, game histories and their loyalty points history, everything. So if I have a player, let's say tester01, if I search, right now there is no data, but obviously if you'll play some games, then it will fetch the data of that particular player, every game history. Okay, and then we have a cash out report. So all the cash outs which we have done, we can see daily cash out reports, monthly cash out reports, everything. We have pull chips feature. Admin can pull chips from the players accounts anytime they want to do the reconciliation. We have a rake back method. Obviously we can create a player and give them some rake back, and those rake back will be given to those players every 24 hours, and that rake back will be recorded over here as a rake back transaction history and rake back. So you see the players have got their rake backs every 24 hours. Okay, and that will also show the time when that has been transferred. So this is we have chat management as well, where we can block a particular player to do the chat. We can also unlock like export the chat histories. So every module is there which is required to run a cash game and do the accounting as well. Every detail is over here, which you can see in this dashboard. So this is a brief demo of our admin panel, and as you can see that I have almost covered all the major modules in this. Thank you for watching the video.